Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be the sixth video of our database question series. So let's get into our question for today. So the question says, the board of directors of HeidiSQL Academy has decided to computerize the information of all the students in this educational institute. The software was developed by Taraka Software Solution. Imagine that you are working as a senior software engineer in this company. You and your team are responsible for creating the database of this software. Create the database according to the instructions given to you. The instructions are as follows. So the first question says, create a database called HeidiSQL Academy to store students' data. So let's go ahead and create the database first. For today's video, I'm going to use the HeidiSQL software. So as you guys know, in the previous video we used the MySQL Workbench software. So to create a database in the HeidiSQL, you need to right click on your connection and click on create new and go database and rename put a name to your database, which is going to be HeidiSQL Academy. And click on OK. And if you check your connection, HeidiSQL Academy is now created. So right click on it again and go to create new and table. So let's go and see our next question. So the next question says, create a table called student to store students' data. Follow the instructions below to create this table. So they have given us a table that we need to create, which consists of 5 columns: student register number, first name, last name, gender, and contact number. The data type is varchar in all of that, and let's go and create it. So click on so first rename our table as student. After that, click on columns and add. So the first column is going to be student registration number, which is going to be varchar. Select varchar, and the length is going to be 10. And the next one is going to be, you need to add, which is going to be first name. Going to be varchar as well, and 45 in length. And after that, last name, varchar and 45. After that, which is going to be it's going to be contact number. It's going to be 10 in length. And after that, it's going to be the gender. It's going to be 10 in length as well. Now we have successfully created our table, and click on save to save our table. So now click on data, and you can see the table that we created. So let's move on to the next question. So the next question says, enter the data shown in the table below in the table you prepared. When entering the data, enter the data graphically. So in this question, they says specifically to enter the data graphically. So in the previous video, we entered data using queries. So so we need to follow what the question says. So into this video, I'm going to add this data using the graphical method. So first you need to click on here and then add your data. So the first one is going to be STU001 Amal Pereira, male, and the contact number. So I'm going to add this data first. STU001, first name is going to be Amal, and last name is going to be Pereira. Gender is going to be male, and the contact number is going to be 071075 075 12 11. So now I have successfully entered the first row in this table. So I'm going to add the other rows, and the data in those rows off camera, because it's going to take a lot of time. So as you guys can see, now I have entered all the data that was given in the question graphically. So let's go and see what this next question says. So next question says, the data of some students have entered above should change as follows. Write the update query statement required to update the data. So what is this update query statement? So it's basically used to modify the existing data or records in a table. So the first question says, the gender of the student whose registration number is STU006 is marked as female but should be changed as to male. So let's go and check that. So as you can see in this row, Namal Patirana's gender is female, which need to be male. So let's go and write the update query for it. So first type update, and then the table name, which is student, inside two various genders, and type set, and gender, the column's name, after that equals the thing that we need to change inside single quote, which is male, and where, and we should specifically say the location or the row that needed to change. So the row is we need to give them a specific location. So I'm going to give the student registration number, which is because it's different from the others, so which is going to be student registration number, equal to STU006. I think that's correct. Yes. So put the semicolon and click on this button to execute the query. So if we go and refresh our database, you can see the STU006 normal Pathirana's gender has been updated to male. So let's go and see our next question, which is Naduri Vijay Singha's student registration number is STUD0010. Is stored in the database. It should be changed to STU010. So let's go and check that. So as you guys can see, it is STUD. So we need to remove the D here. So let's go and write the query. So the query is going to be update student set. Those are the same, and the column that should change is student registration number inside two various genders. Need to be changed as STU 010, and the specific location where first name, I'm going to use his or her names for this. First name, sorry, this is going to be also inside two various genders. So the first names, where the first name is Naduni, and type and the last name. Last name is Vijay Singh. Command. His last name is Vijay Singh. Let's go and check whether I typed it right. Vijay. I think I typed it wrong, so let's go and correct that. Now it's okay. So finally, semicolon, and execute your query and go to your data and refresh your data table. So there's something wrong. Wait a minute. So Naduni Vijay Singh, update student, set student registration number to 10, where first name and last name, first name Naduni and last name Vijay Singh. So instead of using the last name and first name, I'm going to use the contact number. It is more specific. So contact number equal, I'm going to add Naduni Vijay Singh's contact number, which is this. So inside single quotes, enter the contact number and execute your query. And once you refresh your table, and now you can see the student registration number has been changed or updated. So let's go on to our next question, which says student registration number, the STU020 student's first name must be changed to Kalani. Write the required update query for that. So let's go and check. STU020, the first name is Lahiku, so they're saying to update it to, as I think, yeah, it's going to be Kalani. So let's go ahead and write the update query for that. So first set your update student set, those are the same. So inside the various enter the columns name that you need to change, which is gonna be first name, and then what it should be changed as, which is sorry, I forgot the name. It's Kalani. So Kalani. Then the specific location, which is going to be, I'm going to say the student registration number inside the area center, student registration number, which is equal to STU020 and the semicolon. So execute your query and click on data and refresh, and now you can see the STU20's first name has changed to Kalani. So that's how to use the update query. I hope you guys understand about the update query. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I will be hoping to meet you guys in the next video. Thank you.